ground all this damage out. We know the drill now. Clean it out, give it a good wash, spruce it with acetone, then we'll mix up some thickened gel coat and start patching. Off we go again. So now the first bit of fill has been sanded back nicely, so we can see all of the fill points and where the low spots are and where it needs a bit of re-sculpting. That is what we'll do. So this now needs to be washed off, and then a tiny bit more fill, and then tomorrow that should be fit for the last bit of sanding and finishing. Okay, so I've just done the second lot of fill on this lot of cracks, having sanded it all back. So I can see another couple of bits I'm going to go over again in a second. This is really sort of minimal fill, just trying to get as little material as I can get away with on there. It's still a little bit lumpy, but I mean, it only took me about 20 minutes to sand the last lot back, so not too worried about it. I'm going to give this about an hour to set up, and then I'm going to coat it in PVA again. days of sanding and polishing and waxing, we got back to where we were with this section, but it's like this all over on top. I still think I need to go over it a bit more with some maybe 4,000 up to 10,000, but we've got there at least. Still got to do the sides and the front, but it's progress. It's very late, it's coming on to 8 o'clock, it's getting a bit dark, but it's been quite a productive day. It's been nice to be down here today, not too hot, so time to tidy up all my junk and go home and do the edit. That'll be fun.